What's up, guys? Matt Robinson here, founder of the Professional Investors Guild, and I just wanted to invite you out to an exclusive online event that I'm going to be holding on August 20th at 7 p.m., and it's entitled 7 Rehab Secrets That Will Explode Your Profits. Now, this is not some fluffy stuff that you're going to learn watching HGTV with all of their happy talk and their fuzzy math on how those profits really came about and their perfectly staged photos. This is real world advice learned in the trenches of me doing dozens and dozens of renovations over a 15+ year career. And yes, early on there were some failures, there were some flops, and we're going to talk about those on the webinar. But then after that, there were many successes, well over 100 and millions of dollars in profit. And I want to show you how you can do it too. Okay, so I'm going to be covering these secrets and a few things that I'll be sharing with you. First and foremost, the number one mistake that most fix and flip investors make and how you can avoid it and why it will mean all the difference between success and failure in this business. We're also going to talk about how you can find unlimited funding for your deals. So you've got the money to be able to do these properties, to do these fix and flips, and never have to pass up on an opportunity again because you don't have the funds. And another thing we'll be sharing is how you can quickly assess and determine the after repair value of a property, how you can determine the repairs that it needs, and how you can also figure out the maximum offer price that you can make to the seller. So it's going to be a great night. You're going to learn a lot. I hope you can join us. It's going to be, if you want to get registered, go to the number 7rehabsecrets.com. That's the number 7rehabsecrets.com. Now, this is limited to the first 200 people that register. So go right now, go ahead and get registered before you forget, 7rehabsecrets.com. And for the first 25 of you that go get registered, we're going to give you a free copy of my audio lesson entitled 30 Days to Your First or Next Flip. Okay, so if you want to get that free course and join us on the webinar, again, it's Thursday, August 20th. You can get registered right now by going to the number 7rehabsecrets.com. Again, that's 7rehabsecrets.com. And I look forward to having you on the webinar.